eBay break. This is a 16 by 20 Gold Rush photo. It is break 1880. 1880. Fake News 5, Lee 2, Lonnie 3, Eeyore 1, Peter 2, Go Pack 1, Lonnie J 2, Real News 4, Lonnie J 5, Mike Moffitt 3, Lonnie J 2, and Lee with 2. Lee, you have 5 spots, correct? Correct. Let me see. Alex Pearson. Hey Lee, make sure you send its friends and family. Mike, you too, man. Just make sure it's friends and family. Mike and Lee. Alright, guys, here we go. Column C 5 times, ram.org. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Fake news, you're on top. Fake news, you're on the bottom. 5 times there. Fake news, Cardinals, Mike Falcons. Mike Falcons, fake news Ravens, Lonnie Bills, Jeff Panthers, Lonnie Bears, Bengals, Mike Browns, Lee Cowboys, fake news Broncos, Lonnie J Lions, Eeyore Packers, Lonnie J Texans, Lonnie Colts, Lee Jacks Chiefs, Real News Rams, Lonnie Dolphins, Go Pack Vikings, Mike Patriots, Peter Saints, Lonnie J Giants, Peter R Jets, Lonnie Raiders, Real News Eagles, Lee Steelers, Lonnie Chargers, Real News Niners, Lonnie Seahawks, fake news Bucks, Lonnie Titans, fake news with the Washington Redskins. Is my dick in the box? Lee, you're supposed to have 4 or 5. Did I give you an extra one? Oh. You're supposed to have 5? Oh, what the heck? 9 in the morning? Hold on, let's see here. Oh, you said 2. Yep, I did 3 and 3. Dun, dun, dun. Stoop kids don't lead to stoop. Lee, did you want that 5th spot for $5 or you want me to sell it? 11 to 12, man. I'm not going to be home at 11 to 12. Let's see here. Lee, did you want the 5th spot for 5? If not, I'm gonna sell it, or I'll let you pick which teams you don't want. All right, man. Sounds good. Maybe it'll be the deciding factor. Oh, wait. Hold on. No, you're fine. Dude, my eyes are tired. Lee, you have 2, and then you have 2. We're good. I thought, never mind, we're fine. I'm sorry. Lonnie J, your names was combining. You're good, don't worry about it. You're only in there for 4. I kept looking at Lonnie J and I kept thinking it was Lee. Alright guys, here we go. My eyes, I'm blind, man. I'm blind. Well, last one was a Big Ben. Big Ben, see what we got this time. It's a Jack Lambert. Jack Lambert. I'm trying to block the light. Jack Lambert, Hall of Fame 90, JSA WP 798459. Very nice, Jack Lambert. Remember Doug? Great show, Doug. Nice Jack Lambert. That's a mean dude right there. That's a bad man. That's a bad man. Pittsburgh Steelers going to the league. Campoli. There you go, Lee. You snagged yourself the 16x20 autograph photo. Alright, guys. Call MC 5 times. Ram.org. Whoever's on top is going to get a free entry into an autograph mini helmet giveaway. Give it away now. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and it's going to go to Lee. There you go, Lee. Free spot. Autograph mini helmet. And Lonnie J's getting a free spot as well. There you go, man. That's what you call a double dip right there. Double dip of Rooney. 1880. Alright guys, there you go. Nice Jack Lambert autograph 16x20 photo. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to ask. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you.